Stop okay. Joe with the food review.
Hi guys, it's Joe Food Reviews. Today I'll be looking at the best chicken you can get at Chicken Shop.
Joe. Chicken shops, it's over there. Oh.
Now we're at our destination, the Chicken Shop. Hi, can I please get the Happy Meal? Oh yes please. Yes, we go, we're getting it.
Another one, that's one second. Another one, that's one second. Another one, that's one second.
What is that? What is that?
Which one?
Those things. Like that phony rabbit. What the hell?
Joe, no. Joe. Joe, how do you feel? Is this
So
your
many-
favorite eating location?
So many cars. Yeah, it's my favorite place.
It-
Go down here. It's so weird.
Is it delicious? Does
Yeah.
it enhance the flavor though?
It enhances your flavor and field of tasting experience. So go here. Go here. There you go.
One eternity later.
Joe, come back! Dude, this is so lit.
Oh
We made it, Joe! We made it, Joe! Oh, look at that chicken. Oh, it's so good. Still hot?
Like 20 minutes of water.
Oh, is it good? How does this area enhance the chicken eating experience?
Gives it an extra feel, an extra sense of chicken.
Is it tasty? Good chicken, Joe.
Amazing.
Good chicken.
Okay.
I love chicken.
I don't understand why you're so cold.